on a previous episode of Wheel Stories.
Whoa! Am I gonna regret this or what? I just hope I can turn around. Okay, this was a bad idea. I'm gonna have to leave the bike right here. We'll finish the rest of this on foot.
What is going on over there? I hope that's a controlled burn. It's gonna be dirty when this day is over with. Covered with dust. Oh yeah, beautiful day. Beautiful day. Phew. This was not a good idea. Let's see if I can just walk it out. How's that? There we go. Got it. Okay. Back on the bike. At least I'm pointed in the right direction. Yeah. And now, part 2. My journey into the desert continues. Okay, so I've reached the highway. Time to head toward the Snake River Canyon. Onward! Some people don't find desert scenery beautiful, but I certainly do. I don't know how you can not appreciate the look of this canyon with the light the way it's shining right now. Cue the music. Sirree, it is beautiful out here. I do believe I'm blessed and very appreciative of these rides in such a beautiful location. Get back on the bike. I'm wasting time here. Came around a corner and saw this mountain lit up all nice. Oh, wow. That's a nice looking shot. Looks like something you'd see in a John Ford Western. John Wayne on a horse. I have a feeling I'm going to be riding home in the dark, but I've got to get something to eat here soon. I'm famished. Okay, I finally came upon a place where I can get something to eat, and I am starving to death. Let's go inside, see if we can find something. I hate these things. Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, not too bad. All right, you have a wonderful day, evening. I don't know what time it is. Thank you very much.
Crazy people.
Yeah, will do. Okay, I've found a nice place where I've got a wonderful view of the sunset, and I'm going to pull out all of that, well, quite frankly, junk food that I bought at the convenience store. Potato chips, this will put me in a blissful trance. Yeah, that'll help wash it down. Donuts. This is a bigger candy bar than, it's a king. Snack stick, that'll do it. Let's eat. What you're looking at is the Snake River. This is the famed river in Idaho that Evel Knievel tried to jump. Let's see here. About 150 miles that way is where he tried to jump across the canyon. Some other guy did it. Evel wasn't successful. In a rocket, I don't think I would call it a motorcycle. Yeah, had a good time today. Glad I was able to get on the bike. Until next time, be sure to ride safe. Happy trails, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.